Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Tech Thursday. In this video, I'm going to unbox two new SSD external drives. It is a SanDisk SSD 1TB with transfer speed of 550 MB per second. Now I'm about to open it. Let me use a scissors instead. Yes. I'm going to tear it open, trying to peel the rubber off. Okay. So let me open it. Yes. Yeah. This how it looks in the box. It looks very portable, very portable. It is ruggedized, and that's the Type C connector port. Yes, and that's the name SanDisk 1TB. It's very portable, very portable. This is the second SSD drive. That is DM's portable SSD external drive with 1TB storage capacity. It has 300 MB per second transfer speed. So I'm coming to open it and see what's inside. Let's go. Okay, it's almost out of the box. Yes. Okay. It is also portable, silver with some ash case, rubber case, and that's the USB to Type C adapter, and that is how it looks. That is the USB Type C connector port. Okay, so I'm trying to use the adapter, and also the cable. This Type C to USB. Yes, Type C to USB cord. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video.